Ever rummage through a drawer and unearth a dusty relic from the past? Maybe it's a clunky flip phone or a stack of dial-up internet discs. Technology marches on, and sometimes those once essential items fade into obscurity. But what about landlines? In today's age of smartphones and video calls, are landlines still relevant? Well, that depends on who you ask. But what if there was a service that offered the familiarity and reliability of a landline, but with the affordability and features of modern technology? Enter Ooma. Ooma has been around for a while now, offering a unique phone service for your home. But the question remains, is Ooma a true landline replacement or something entirely different? Let's dive in and dissect the tech to find out. The allure of the landline. Nostalgia or necessity? There's a certain comfort in the traditional landline. It's dependable, doesn't rely on a charged battery, and often comes with unlimited local calling. For some, particularly those in areas with spotty cell reception, a landline can be a lifeline. However, landlines have their downsides. Traditional phone companies often charge hefty monthly fees, and long-distance calls can quickly drain your wallet. Plus, features like voicemail and call waiting usually come with additional costs. Ooma. Bridging the gap between landline and modernity. Ooma positions itself as a landline replacement, but it operates quite differently. Here's the breakdown. Connection. Unlike a landline that connects directly to the phone network, Ooma utilizes your existing high-speed internet connection. This allows for features like voicemail and call waiting to be included as standard, without additional charges. Making calls. With Ooma, you can use a regular phone handset in your home, just like with a landline. However, Ooma also offers mobile apps that allow you to make and receive calls from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. Call quality. Ooma boasts high-definition voice quality, which can even surpass traditional landlines. Plus, features like noise cancellation help ensure crystal-clear conversations. The cost factor. Is Ooma truly affordable? One of the biggest appeals of Ooma is its affordability. After purchasing the initial Ooma device, you typically only pay monthly taxes and fees. This can translate to significant savings compared to traditional landline plans, especially if you make frequent long-distance calls. Is Ooma perfect? Weighing the potential drawbacks. While Ooma offers a compelling alternative to landlines, there are a few things to consider. Internet reliance. Since Ooma relies on your internet connection, a service outage can disrupt your phone service. If you live in an area with frequent internet hiccups, Ooma might not be the most reliable option. Limited features. While Ooma offers core features like voicemail and call waiting, some advanced features like video calling or multi-line support might require additional subscriptions. Is Ooma a landline replacement? So, is Ooma a true landline replacement? The answer depends on your needs and priorities. If you value affordability, clear call quality, and basic phone features, then Ooma could be a fantastic option. However, if you require absolute reliability or advanced features, a traditional landline or a robust mobile phone plan might be a better fit. Ultimately, Ooma offers a compelling blend of old-school comfort and modern functionality. It's a great choice for those looking to ditch the high costs of traditional landlines without sacrificing call quality or convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.